Hello and Namaste. Trishul, starring Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjeev Kumar, Shashi Kapoor, Hema Malini and Rakhi, released in 1978. It was directed by Yash Chopra, who liked to use nice cars in all his films, and Trishul is no different. In the early part of the film, you see Amitabh driving a Premier Padmini, and later he moves to cars like a convertible Chevrolet Impala and also a Jaguar E-Type convertible. Interestingly, this E-Type has aftermarket external dummy exhaust pipes fitted on the right fender. I wonder who did this and why. I mean, the Jaguar E-Type is one of the best cars ever. So why would you want to fit such an ugly accessory that does not suit it at all? But what I really like is that Amitabh Bachchan, before getting into the sexy E-Type, Amitabh carefully slips on a pair of very smart leather car driving gloves, the same kind that were once used by gentlemen racers. Another lovely car in the film is the white 1963 Alfa Romeo Sprint that Shashi Kapoor drives. This car is now with car enthusiast and collector Behram Adeshar, and according to him, this Alfa belonged to Burman, the chairman of Dabur, who had financed the film. Shashi Kapoor loved the Alfa Romeo and bought it. Trishul was shot in and around Delhi, and once the film shooting ended, Shashi Kapoor's driver was meant to bring it back to Bombay. But unfortunately, while driving it on the Agra highway, he crashed it. The Alfa went back to Delhi and lay there rotting for some 38 years. In 2016, Behram Adeshar discovered it and started restoring it. And in 2020, it came back onto the road, some 42 years after the filming of Trishul in 1978. Some other nice cars that you can see in the super hit Trishul include a 1970s Mercedes-Benz W114 or 115 and a red convertible Standard Herald. Trishul is actually a really nice film, and you might want to watch it because it's available online.